Alright, we want to check the tire pressure on this tire. And we can use an instrument like this. It has here a pound scale. And so depending on the pressure, this will stick out a certain way, and then we can read the scale. So first we have to take off the cap and keep it so that we don't lose it. Then we push this in here, so the scale comes out, and then we can read what it says here. 25, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it says 29. If we don't like that kind of thing, we can use an electronic one. This one here even comes with light. If I demonstrate this, so let me turn the light off. You can see now 0 psi, and then I'm going to push it on here, and then it shows 28. The other one showed 29, this one shows 28. I can even change here the metrics on it in bar, kilopascal, kilogram per square centimeter, psi. 28. The nice thing on this one, we have this light. It's pretty neat. So when you're done measuring, you need to refill if you want to. Then do that. If not, put your cap back on. Thread it to the left first and then to the right. It's like the same way you close a bottle. And that's it already. Very easy.